The latest weekly mortgage numbers out just moments ago. Diana Olick's here. She's got more on that front. What did we see, Diana?
Well, Becky, mortgage rates rose last week for the first time in 9 weeks, and consumers did not like it. Mortgage demand fell after several weeks of gains. Last week, the average rate on the 30-year fixed for conforming loans increased to 6.72% from 6.67%, and that's for loans with 20% down. Yes, a gain, but rates were 25 basis points higher the same week a year ago. Still, as a result, applications to refinance a home loan fell 13% for the week, still 70% higher than the same week a year ago. Refinancing has been seeing strong gains as interest rates dropped recently, but there are still a very precious few who can benefit from a refinance given the record low rate seen just 3 years ago. The percentages are skewing larger because the base volume is just so small. As for mortgage applications to buy a home, they were basically flat week to week, up just 0.1%, but they were 6% higher than the same week 1 year ago. The tiny gain was due to a 3% increase in FHA applications. FHA offers a very low down payment and so draws lower income borrowers with lower credit scores. And Becky, more people are actually going to FHA now because home prices are so high. They want to keep that down payment low.
Diana, when you combine these mortgage applications along with the housing starts that we saw yesterday, how would you characterize the housing market overall?
Well, so we did see a bounce back in housing starts, but we really think that was because we saw such a big drop in January. So February kind of pulled it forward, and there were a lot of weather implications in that. What really stuck out to me was Monday, the builder sentiment numbers. They dropped again into really negative territory, and the builders were setting costs and tariffs and also buyer traffic through their showrooms. It's just not showing up. They also cited uncertainty in the economy and that their consumers were bringing that up as well. And they did start to cut prices again more than they had the previous month. So it just shows that there's a lot of pressure on the housing market right now simply due to affordability.